Here's a screenshot of the price book as viewed in the iPad, something that a technician would see when they're uh, creating a price for a customer. Well, this is a replacement of a Moen PosiTemp cartridge. So this particular task, I can show it to you in Service Titan, is made up of a description, name. It's also got a material connected to it. This is where Titan Pricer comes in. There's a material that's PosiTemp, and it's for $48.33. So the selling price to the customer would be $381 for the total job out the door. So how does the material connect to that particular item? So let's take a look at it in Titan Pricer. Here's that same exact task in Titan Pricer. So it's got name, description, categories. It's also got a value for sold hours, for labor. But the material cost in this particular item, it's being purchased from a single vendor. With Titan Pricer's cost updating system, updating this cost to its current price is as simple as clicking a button, pulling the data from the vendor, and then populating that information. This can then be instantly pushed to Service Titan. Now that the material has gone up to $50.33, we can view that cost update in Service Titan. Now the total cost has gone up to $385. So you can see by continually updating the material cost with the most accurate pricing, the 50% margin is preserved. For example, if the cost is $50 for the part, we're selling it to a customer for $100 with a 50% margin. If that price goes up to $60, even though our cost is increased, our margin gives us a $60 profit. So when the price goes up, our profit goes up. This takes the angst out of having to shop for the lowest possible price all the time. Instead, one can shop for the most reliable source that can provide the quickest service to get that part properly priced and back in the truck for resale. But I want to correct this price and bring it back to what it's supposed to be, which is there.